So guys, let's now understand what is meant by box model in CSS. So in CSS, the term box model is used when talking about design and layout. So design and layout of our web page. The CSS box model is essentially a box that wraps around every HTML element. It consists of margins, borders, padding and the actual content. So now we have the knowledge of all these four things like margin, border, padding and the actual content. So what is padding? We have seen that padding is the area around the content. So basically content is our text that we mention, so padding is the area around that. Then after that we have border around the padding, and around border we have margin. So this is our basic like view of the page. So box model is very important to understand when you are learning CSS. So for this, let's go to our browser or web page, and I'm going to inspect this web page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this paragraph. Okay, using this pointer I'm going to select this paragraph on which we have applied this CSS, and you can see here that this kind of like box model is displayed in the developer tools itself, right? So this is specifically for this paragraph element. So once I am on this content area, you can see the content area is highlighted, that is the text area wherein we have mentioned let's learn padding. When I'm going to the padding side, it is displaying the padding area highlighted with green. So padding is applied on outside the content. Next we have is border. So once I am taking my cursor towards the border, you can see the red border that we have is now colored to yellow because it is highlighting the border portion. Now when I am going to margin, it is highlighting the margin area. Now you might wonder that we have not applied any margin as of now. Let me show you the code. So this is the code of our like paragraph. What we have done is we have given the ID to our paragraph and we have applied some styles. So basically we had given a border, after that we have given a padding, but you can see that we have not given any margin over here, but still a margin is getting applied right now, you can see. So this margin is getting applied by the browser. So this is for like the basic view so that it will look good. So we have, even though we do not apply some values, but it is getting automatically applied. You can even see the values over here like margin block start, margin block end. Even though we have not applied, but it is getting applied by itself, and the values that we have applied are these, that is the border and padding. So this was about border box model. So box model consists of four things, that is margin, border, padding and the content. So it is very important to understand box model while you are learning CSS. So thanks for watching the video. I will see you in next video.